Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing video for nail biters. This is from one nail biter to another because myself, I used to bite my nails so crazy, and I will give you real advice in this video. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. The first and very simple advice is to actually get the bite no more nail polishes. They're going to actually taste very bad because you paint your nails with this, and once you try to bite your nails you will get really bad taste and you will not bite your nails anymore. So basically that's that, even though I never done that. And then the other tip is to actually apply fake nails or press on nails. I have actually done this myself because I used to bite my nails. I did get press on nails and I realized how pretty it is, and I said I want to have pretty nails too. And then all of a sudden I stopped biting my nails and decided to let them grow out and take care of them and paint my nails, and that's what I have been doing ever since. So I think the real advice is to make a conscious decision to stop biting your nails and to actually want to have pretty nails, and try getting a little bit obsessed with painting your nails instead of biting your nails. And that is something that I have done, I think, because I love having my nails pretty. I like having my nails very nice and very put together. To me, my nails are accessory and it's something very nice, and it's so nice when you see that woman has pretty hands. And in my opinion, that is something that is important. It shows that you take care of yourself, but also you can fall in love with doing so many designs, and you can find them on my channel. And that is something also that can help you to stop biting your nails. Actually, you painting your nails and doing little designs and just thinking of ways to be creative with your nails instead of biting them down. That is something that helped me as well, because as I said, I used to bite my nails like crazy. I have no idea how I even did that, because I tried now and I cannot bite my nail. So yeah. And also there is so many videos on my channel on how I paint my nails, and you can watch those videos. I also share my tips and tricks on how to have a perfect manicure and how to do this design or that design, or tips and tricks, everything bundled up on my channel, so you can browse through my videos and you can get yourself lost in my videos, and you will definitely get distracted and you will paint your nails. And try to not think about biting your nails, because there is something that you have to make in your mind for yourself. I know that a lot of people struggle also with picking their nail polishes and then biting it. I think that if you have very pretty manicured nails, you can actually be like, oh, my nails are so pretty, I don't want to bite them. So that is something that can also help. There is no one here to tell you magic formula on how you can stop biting your nails. It has to come from you. You're the only one who can make a decision to stop biting your nails. So have that in mind, and I'm here to help you paint your nails and get inspired and do all these designs and give you advices. But at the end of the day, you're the one who has to make this decision to stop for yourself. I think it's nicer to have your nails all nice and done than to have them all bitten down. I used to do that in past. My nails used to be crazy, and people used to tell me that my nails will never grow and they will look ugly and uneven and stuff like that, which we can all see now it's not true. You can stop biting your nails and you have beautiful nails as well. It just takes time, it takes dedication, just like everything in life. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. I hope this helps some of you. Let me know what you think in comments, and see a bunch of my other videos that you have on my channel. You can get lost in them and just try to forget about actually biting your nails. That is what I have done in past myself. Never have I ever bitten my nails ever since. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in comments, and I will talk with you in my next video. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye.